Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can channel the bold, rebellious vibes of heavy metal fashions in DTI. So if you want to know how to create this heavy metal inspired outfits in DTI, just watch my video. Okay, so in here, for the hair that I'm using this for hairstyles. You can find it under the updo hair category and also the feminine hair, and color it all black. And for this one, I'm not using the bangs. And now let's make the outfit. So first, for the top, I'm going to wear this top from the grunge set. So this is a currency items, this one in here, and I'm going to toggle it into number 2. Sorry, I think I'm going to just use number 1 and color it all black, just like this. And while I'm here, I'm going to wear this shoe, change all the color into black, like this. And now let's go out. And for the pants, I'm going to wear this flare jeans, this one. And I'm going to use this spider web patterns for the pants, just like this. And for the flowers, I'm going to change the color into the dark gray color, like this. So now let's finish the outfit. So for the pants, I'm going to layer it with this skirt in here in black color. I'm going to also wear some accessories like this one on the neck. I'm going to use the patterns in light silk, and I'm going to also wear this belt. And for more accessory here, I'm going to wear this accessory on the arms, this one. And also I'm going to wear the gloves, make it short, remove the fur, and change the color into black. And the last one, I'm going to put on this glasses, change the frame into black. And now this heavy metal look is done. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.